Trades recap for Tuesday. So we took two trades live on Zoom right at the open. One of them was plug and the other one was ZEN. Both of them were gap ups, but on plug we went long and on ZEN we went short. Why? Let's get to the charts and I will explain exactly how I traded them. So these are the two charts of ZEN and plug. Let's start with ZEN. It was a gap up from 122 up to 129. But it failed to go higher at the open. So when I see this price action, when I see a gap up opening and moving sideways, failing to make new highs in the first 3-5 minutes of the open, what I do, I draw a line at the opening range low. The opening range low is the first 1 minute bar low, and that's the price here is 128.60. So once I saw these two inside candles creating a small base, I've set an order and I alerted Zoom Live that I want to short below 128.80, which is the low of these two inside bars. My stop was 60 cents, the high of this bar, 129.40. Once we got in short, our target was the 9 EMA on the 1 minute. Once I saw this doji reversing right above the 9 EMA, I covered. This move was a 3R move. We made 180 from this move. Personally, I only made 2R. I didn't hold, I didn't get exactly the low of this candle, but I waited for the reversal, so I got a little bit of more of 2R on this trade. Still an amazing trade. That's what I use to short a gap up. I use the opening range low and I want to see a small base. So let's go to plug. Plug was also a gap up, but we took it long. So what did I see? This is the 5-minute chart for plug. As you can see here, I have this orange line, 26.36. This is the pre-market support. So my plan on PLUG, it was if it retraced at the open and found support at 26.36, which was also pre-market support, I was planning to go long once it reclaimed VWAP. And that's exactly what we did. And I alerted this trade as well. We went long above 26.75 once it reclaimed the VWAP. I took a partial up here. Then I got stopped out at my entry. I always move my stop at entry once the stock retraces. So I got stopped out. But we took another entry later in the day once we took the day's highs. You can see the squeeze here, price is squeezing between the 9 EMA and this higher line, this 3-bar squeeze. So I went long on the highs break. It was also another setup on the 15-minute, and that was another great trade. So that's how I traded ZEN and plug. It was an amazing day on Zoom Live. If you guys want to join, just send me a direct message and I will tell you how.